pick up Bailey, and we're gonna go get the iPhone 11. We're gonna go to the Apple Store, check it out, see what they got, if they have the iPhone that I want, and if not, we'll just wait until tomorrow, go to a different Apple Store, whatever. But yeah, I'm just gonna go pick her up. Unboxing the iPhone 11. Hola. Oh, hold on. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I decided to go with the lavender one because it's so cute. It's pretty. There's the manual. The charging cube comes with headphones, of course. And then the charging cable. Swipe up, password, Wi-Fi. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Just let me know when you're ready for the password.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, it's all capital letters.
Okay.
LBUL.
Oh shit, hold on, it started over for some reason. So now that we're connected to the Wi-Fi, our next step will be... I'm just kidding. It's gonna load. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, so I just realized while editing that I never actually did a review of the iPhone 11, so let me go do that.
Excuse my face, I have a baby with colic, so I've been very tired and crying a lot recently.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna do the review for the iPhone 11. I've had it for about a week now, so I've gotten used to all the different functions from the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 11, so if that's what you're upgrading to, hopefully not, but if that's what you're upgrading to, I'll show you what I found different and what I really like about it. I think first off, what everybody's going for in this phone is the cameras. And I've taken pretty incredible photos, including photos of my son, photos of me, photos of everybody around me. I went to the mall. I took pictures of my husband. I took pictures of a lot of things. I even took pictures, okay, here's, for example, let me bring, so also on the iPhone 6, we brought it up. On the iPhone 11, you bring it down like that. So, I'm gonna undo the lock button. This was the photo I took of this Shelby Mustang the night I got, I hope you can see that, the night I got the iPhone 11 to show the difference between the iPhone 6, which is what this is, and then the iPhone 11 with night mode, which is pretty freaking incredible if you ask me. And I'll upload it here so that you can see more in detail the differences, but I'm truly impressed with it, especially the night mode. It's truly incredible. I've gotten some pretty amazing shots. Other than that, I had to get used to the home button being like a slide up motion and going through all the apps. I never close my apps. Okay. Not only is the home button a slide up motion, but also to see the apps that you just opened in your history and whatever. Also, I'd like to, hopefully she'll be okay with it, show you guys how awesome the Animojis are, because I never got to play with it since I had the iPhone 6 when it came out. But these are awesome. You get to play around with them. That's my Animoji. But you can choose between like a ton of animals, and it's so funny. I don't know. I thought it was cute. But I have noticed the quality in the screen from my iPhone 6 to the iPhone 11. I think there's like no, I'm not even gonna try and be technical. But I feel like it is brighter, and also the night mode. You can go slide down and hold on the brightness, and there's a dark mode. I always have my dark mode on. I think most of us do. And the True Tone, because on my iPhone 6 I always turned on night shift, and it would always make my screen really like more oranges and yellows instead of like blues and whites. So there's that. Also, I got I think the largest amount of gigabytes, so there's that option too, and it's still inexpensive. I think it's like $800 or so, which is pretty impressive compared to the recent iPhone 10 that just came out as $1,300, I think. And my sister has that, and I don't think there's much of a difference between this phone and the iPhone 10, but I have heard from other iPhone enthusiasts that the iPhone 10XR, or the iPhone 10R, is always going to be better than the iPhone 11. I'm not sure specifically why, but this phone is perfect. It's beautiful. I got a case for it. I got it off of Amazon. It protects the screen and the backing because I was terrified. I'll insert below the Amazon link to this case because it's freaking amazing, and I'm sure I think it was cheap. I don't think it was more than 20 bucks, but it's perfect. After that, I don't have much more to say about it because I'm not too techy, but Bacardi! Get him! Get him! Another thing I noticed is when you hold down on an app to rearrange it, there's some, not this one in specific, but let's go to, I think, Gmail. Yeah, okay. So a lot of the quick links to go into apps you can do from outside the app on your home screen, where you can, for Gmail, you can compose from any of your signed in email accounts, or you could share or rearrange apps. But hold on. Oh wow, I didn't even know about this about Snapchat. You can Snapchat your recents. You can add, wow. You can add a friend from this instant link. You can chat, you can choose to chat and then share and then rearrange, which wow, that's awesome. Instagram, you can do all that. It's pretty impressive the things you can do. And I don't know if this is like the new update, because my husband said that he got an update and he could, oh, this is one last thing. When you're texting, you can do this swipey thing with it and create whatever word. Back in the day when I was in high school, like I think freshman year, so probably like 8 years ago when I was a freshman in high school, I had the Note Active, and And Android has always had that swipey, create your word, I don't know what, quick text or something, I don't know. But they've always had that, so that's nothing new for Android, but it's new for iPhone, so go iPhone. But yeah, that's all I've noticed new about my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful iPhone 11.